Hey crypto enthusiasts! If you're diving into the world of Ethereum transfers in 2025, you're in for a treat. Today, I'm walking you through how to send Ethereum from your Phantom wallet to Bitrue, step by step. This process is simple and secure, but always double-check everything to keep your assets safe. Let's get started. First, ensure you have the Phantom Wallet app installed and updated on your device. Open it and log in using your secure method, like a password or biometric authentication. Phantom is a user-friendly wallet that supports Ethereum, making this a breeze. Step 1. Once logged in, navigate to your Ethereum assets. You might need to switch to the Ethereum mainnet if you're on a different network. Look for the network selector at the top. Step 2. Select your Ethereum balance to initiate a transfer. You'll see an option to send, tap that. Step 3. Now, head over to your Bitrue account on their website or app. Go to the deposit section for Ethereum and copy the unique wallet address provided. This address is like your digital lockbox, so handle it with care. Step 4. Back in Phantom, paste the Bitrue address into the To field. Double check for accuracy. Typos here could mean lost funds forever. Step 5. Enter the amount of Ethereum you want to send. Don't forget to account for gas fees, which are the network costs for processing your transaction. In 2025, these fees might be lower with upgrades like Ethereum 3.0, but always review them. Step 6. Hit Next or Review to see a summary of your transaction. Confirm all details, then approve it with your wallet's security prompt. Once sent, the transaction will process on the blockchain. It could take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network traffic. Keep an eye on it via a blockchain explorer like Etherscan. A quick tip. For security, use this on a private network and enable two-factor authentication on both wallets. If you're new to crypto, start with a small amount to practice. And there you have it, your Ethereum is on its way to Bitrue. If this helped, give the video a like, subscribe for more guides, and let me know in the comments if you have questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto world.